In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Ethereum from crypto.com to MetaMask. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you transfer your Ethereum securely and efficiently. So, let's get started. First things first, the process begins by withdrawing Ethereum, commonly abbreviated as ETH, from your crypto.com account and depositing it to your MetaMask wallet. Before we get into the details, make sure you have both the crypto.com app and MetaMask ready to go. To start, open your MetaMask wallet and find your Ethereum address. This address is essential as it's where your ETH will be sent. You can easily copy this address by clicking on it in the MetaMask app. Keep it ready, we'll need it in a moment. Next, head over to the crypto.com app. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the account section. On the main screen, look for the account button. Clicking this will bring you to your list of various crypto accounts. Here, you'll select crypto to access your cryptocurrency balances. Scroll through and find Ethereum, or simply type ETH in the search bar to make it quick. Select Ethereum from your list to view more options regarding your ETH assets. Now it's time to transfer. Look for the transfer button. This initiates the process to move your Ethereum. Select it and make sure you choose the option to withdraw. It's here where you'll input the information about where your Ethereum is heading next. In the withdrawal section, you'll need to specify the details of the external wallet. This is when you'll paste the MetaMask Ethereum address you copied earlier. Double check that the address is correct. An error here could lead to a permanent loss of funds, so it's vital to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction details on the screen, making sure everything is in order, from the amount of ETH you're transferring to the recipient address. Security is crucial, so any mistakes might cost you. Many apps will require you to confirm the transaction, possibly with a code sent to your phone or email. Once you've confirmed everything, finalize the transaction, and there you have it. Your Ethereum is now on its way from crypto.com to your MetaMask wallet. Depending on network conditions, this may take a few minutes. Once the transfer is processed, you'll be able to see your Ethereum safely residing in your MetaMask account. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sending Ethereum from crypto.com to MetaMask. We hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. If you have any further questions or suggestions on what you'd like to learn next, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading, and stay tuned for more cryptocurrency guides and tips.